If you're new to business ownership in the cryptocurrency industry, you might have a lot of questions about something called AML compliance. Maybe you've already looked into it a little bit and are feeling overwhelmed. Don't worry, that's what we're here for. BitAML is a compliance advisory firm that specializes in the cryptocurrency industry. We're doing a series of videos to help answer some of the biggest compliance questions that entrepreneurs like you often ask. Today's topic is the most foundational of all: how to know if your business needs AML compliance. If you operate a cryptocurrency business, then you are considered a money transmitter, which is a type of money services business, or MSB. MSBs are required by the regulators of the U.S. government to create an anti-money laundering, or AML, compliance program in order to help law enforcement in the detection of criminal activity like money laundering in the financial sector. As money transmitters, crypto businesses are required to maintain customer and transaction records, no matter how small the transaction. But how do you know whether your business is considered an MSB in the first place? This is actually one of the biggest questions we get from cryptocurrency business owners. The answer ultimately lies in the classification rules and regulations of the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN. In 2013, FinCEN released a set of initial guidelines that broadly outlined what sort of businesses may qualify as MSBs. These initial guidelines were limited, and additional guidance has since been released. These newer guidelines have helped provide much more specific parameters regarding what types of businesses fall under the MSB umbrella. But the bottom line is that the vast majority of crypto businesses involved in the exchange of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are indeed considered MSBs. This includes peer-to-peer crypto exchanges, crypto trading platforms, crypto ATMs, and many more. If you're still unsure of whether or not you're considered an MSB, it's best to contact regulators or your lawyer. If you do operate a money services business, then you are legally required to comply with the FinCEN rules and regulations. Are there any exceptions? The fact that your business in some way relates to cryptocurrency doesn't necessarily mean that you qualify as an MSB. Tertiary businesses, for example, tend to be exempt from qualification. You may be exempt if your activities are limited to things like providing software, delivery, network access, or communication services to someone who does qualify as a money transmitter, serving as a sole intermediary between BSA-regulated institutions, accepting or transmitting virtual funds as payment for the sale of goods. As you can see, following FinCEN's rules, regulations, and classification systems can get a bit complicated, and we haven't even touched on state-specific regulations businesses need to follow. That's why it's always best to consult an attorney to verify whether or not your business qualifies as an MSB money transmitter, even if you feel confident of your interpretation. When it comes to complying with FinCEN guidelines, it's always better to be safe than sorry. At BitAML, we're happy to help you answer any questions you may have about FinCEN rules and regulations, or any compliance matter related to cryptocurrency business. Feel free to email us today to set up a free 30-minute consultation that can help you take the guesswork out of cryptocurrency business compliance.